Hi friends, this video I will show you how to replace your Dubai driving license to Saudi driving license. Here I will show you how to. First you have to take appointment in through your upser, and you have to take medical test, and you should have valid Dubai driving license and valid Saudi Akama. Okay, see, you have to log in your upser account using your username and password. Okay, you will receive OTP, then you have to enter your OTP, then you have to go inside and you have to visit. See here you have to select electronic service. You have to select electronic service, then after electronic service you have to select appointments. Okay, from the appointment you have to select traffic. Okay, the traffic you have to select traffic, then see here we are selecting appointments. Okay, after appointments we have to select traffic. Then you have to select proceed to service. There you have to proceed to service. Here you have to take appointment for replacing your driving license. Okay, if you take appointment within 1 day, same day you will get your Saudi driving license. You have to pay 200 riyal on your account. See here you have to book appointment. Once you book appointment, here you have to select replacing driving license. Then region, you have to select which region you are. Then you have to select next, and it will show you how many driving license school available in your region. Then you have to select which school is convenient for you. Then you have to select the timing. The same time you have to be there. Before that you have to take your medical test, eye test, and your blood test. Okay, then you have to proceed. Then before that you have to pay 200 riyal. If 5 years 200 riyal, for 10 years 400 riyal you have to pay on your upser account for driving license. Then you have to print out your appointment. With appointment, your akama copy, your Dubai driving license, original Dubai driving license, and your medical test. Then the payment for driving license fees. 5 years means for 5 years you have to pay 200 riyal. For 10 years you have to pay 400 riyal. Okay, then you have to, the same appointment time, you have to visit your traffic driving school. Then traffic police, you have to submit all the document. They will verify everything. Immediately they will issue your driving license. Thank you so much. Please support and subscribe my channel. Thank you.